In this video, I will show you how to download App APK from Google Play Store. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. To make it straight, there is no way to download APK from Play Store directly, but I'll show you a workaround on how to do download App APK from Play Store. First, open Play Store and search for the app that you want to download the APK file. Now go ahead and install the app. After installing the app that you want to download the APK, install this next app. Search for App APK Extractor. Tap on this one and install it. After you install it, open the app. Now you'll be prompted to choose a save directory path. I'll just create a new folder with APK as its name. After setting the folder, look for that app that we want to get the APK file, which we've downloaded in Play Store. Now you will see a lot of options in here. What you'll do next is tap on this Extract app. It will then be saved to that folder that we have set. Now go to your file manager. Then go to the folder that you have set. There you go. The APK file is now saved in here. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.